In today's video, I am going to teach you how to first welcome Klaviyo subscribe. We are going to set up a first welcome flow in Klaviyo using a template, then review it and turn it on so new subscribers can start receiving your welcome messages automatically. This is a great starting point because templates give you a proven structure and you can refine the content later once the flow is live. First, look at the left-hand navigation menu in Klaviyo and click Flows. This area is where Klaviyo organizes automations, including welcome series, abandoned cart, and post-purchase follow-ups. After you open Flows, move to the top right corner of the page and click Create Flow. This begins the process of building a new automation. Next, you will see the flow library. Click a template that fits what you are trying to do. For a first welcome automation, choose a welcome style template, such as a welcome series. Using a template saves time because the basic layout is already built, including the typical sequence of messages and timing. After selecting the template, you will be prompted to choose a trigger. The trigger is what starts the flow, meaning the event that qualifies someone to enter it. Select the trigger that matches your sign-up method, then click Use Template in the Setup modal. This takes you into the Flow Builder, where you can see the full canvas and the messages included in the series. Take a moment to visually scan the canvas so you understand the path subscribers will follow. Even if you plan to edit message text later, it is helpful to confirm the structure looks correct before you turn anything on. When you are ready to activate it, go to the top right of the canvas and click Review and Turn On. This is the final checkpoint before sending begins. In the status dropdown, select Live. Live means the flow will start sending to new people who meet the trigger conditions. Finally, click Update Status again to confirm and save your changes. That final confirmation is important because it locks in the live setting and officially turns the flow on. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.